I'm Nicole Swartz, the Culinary Arts Instructor here at Capital Area Career Center. We have a very hands-on program here at CACC. We spend pretty much most of the time here in the kitchen. We do about maybe 1 to 2 days in the classroom and then about 3 to 4 days in the kitchen. So you get to learn as much as you can about cooking. We have a full kitchen, which I will show you right now. This area here is our baking section. So oven, stove, cooling racks. We have our 3-compartment sink for all our big pots and pans. As you can see, we have plenty of workstations, so everyone's really spread out, so you have plenty of room to move and learn. You sometimes work individually or sometimes in groups. We have another stove here, burners, flat top. Over here is what we call kind of our salad prep station, as well as our dish station. So what you make, you also are expected to clean up as well. We do offer, in a non-COVID time, we do offer catering events too. So here in-house, there's rental space for large groups, large parties, and we do provide meals for catering events. So our program is about a 2-year program. The first year, you work on learning all different types of cooking. We also learn different types of cuisines. So we do Mexican, Italian, Asian, some African. We start out slow with fruits and vegetables, then we move into eggs and breakfast, and then we spend about a month on meats, and then about 2 weeks on ethnic cuisine, and then about another month on baking and pastry. Second year, once COVID is over, hopefully soon, the second year we have a snack bar / cafe, and the second years we're going to actually start to run the cafe. So the prep and produce food for teachers and staff. We also work on inventory and ordering and learning how to manage the cafe from a student perspective. Also too, after the first year in this class, you will obtain a Illinois Food Handler Certificate that you can use in any restaurant or grocery store here in Illinois, and that's good for 3 years. Like I said, it's a hands-on program. We try to spend as much time in the kitchen as possible because that's how you learn how to cook. I personally have 17 years experience in the food industry, 12 in Chicago and 5 here in Springfield, and I just love sharing the knowledge and experience that I've learned over the years with the students. So hopefully you'll come join us for Culinary Arts here at CACC. Thank you.